Kia ora, welcome to the EndNote for Undergraduates Workshop. I'm Elwyn, one of the liaison librarians at Te Puna Library and Learning Services here at AUT. This workshop is an introduction to the Reference Manager program, EndNote. So why use a reference manager? Reference managers, like EndNote, Zotero and Mendeley, help you to collect and organise information and add references to your documents. They can save you time and reduce the amount of mistakes in your referencing, although you will still need to check and edit your references as necessary. They're also a great way to build a collection of research on your topic and have it all in one place. We'll be looking at the essential functions of EndNote so you can get up and running with it as soon as possible. Here's an overview of what we'll cover in this workshop. All the computers at AUT have EndNote version 20 already installed, and you can download your own copy of EndNote for your device for free as an AUT student. This is where you can do that. Here on the library website, access the EndNote guide from the Referencing and APA tile. Choose Install EndNote for instructions on how to download and install EndNote to your device. Contact IT Services if you have any problems with the install. This guide also provides step-by-step guidance on how to use EndNote, so it's a good place to go after this workshop to refresh your memory or extend your EndNote skills. Once you've installed EndNote, open it up. The first time you open it, you'll be asked to create a new library. A library is what EndNote calls a collection of references. We suggest that you only create one library for all your assignments to avoid confusion. Later on, I'll show you how to organise your references so you can easily find the ones you need for each assignment. Save your EndNote library to your local hard drive. Don't save it on a network drive or in the cloud, as this can lead to corrupted files. Here's what your library will look like in EndNote 20. You can see the three main areas: a panel on the left where you can organise your references into groups, the main panel listing your references in the centre, and the editing panel on the right. Now you're ready to start entering references into EndNote.